Wasichana mnafua. Guys, this is what you see around here in the village. You know, in the river. You know, very typical life. No tap, no pipe water, just in the river. You come, you do some cleaning. Mko salama? Sawa, mnafua. Leo ni kesho ni weekend. Leo ni weekend, si ndio? Yeah, sawa guys. Those are my neighbor. They stay here. So today I'm around here checking on stuff. So this place, I made this place the other day. I cleaned it very well, but I'm so surprised that the sand has already come back because of a lot of erosion from the other side. But some days I pray that we can build it so that it can serve the community. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. It depends on the place you're watching me from. In today's video is a super special video guys. I'm around here in this amazing village of ours, and look, somebody harvested sand and he left it here. So this is the best way also to take the sand and move with it on the other side. So I'm really cruising on this place and I'm salivating for this place because some days I'll be owning it, like literally owning it. But for now, let's work on it. Today we want to do what we call like yams harvesting, and we want to harvest the yams. We have the owner who's harvesting the yams, who's coming to help us harvest the yams. And of course I'm not accompanied alone. Today I'm with some girls around here also. They came to buy some yams. And also today guys, I'll be looking for some materials, some raw materials, because I want to put a structure over here on our land. And yeah, so I told you guys I want to put up a structure. So this early morning I was really looking up the structure, like the trees. The big necessities are the trees, you know. So yeah, my land comes all the way up to this end from up there. So this place literally, I'm really planning to, maybe some days I'll just own it and do some planting of yams like this to the river, and also to be very easy for me to do what we call like to pump water from the river to this side. The other time I used to pump water from there when it was very hard. Pumping water from there all the way. My farm is over here. Over here. Let me share with you. My farm is over here. You see the other side where there's some trees, a lot of greenery. That's the fact that I love about this place, you know. Anyway guys, you're all welcome. If you wish, like maybe some days wanna like come and stay with us around here, you're all welcome. And there's this type of a banana. I don't know guys how it is. I don't know how it is. There are those who really love to stay near the river. There are those who really love to stay on the other side. There are those who really love the environment all along. And this, look at this banana guys. I don't know if you'll be able to check on it. I was told this banana has like over 20 years. Over 20 years. The owner who planted this banana here, so like he planted this when he was going to school. Like it's literally more than 20 years. If it's less, let's say 40. Let's say 40, because he told me when he planted this he was young. And for now, I'll show you his firstborn. His firstborn is there. His firstborn is almost 30 right now. And he told me that this banana, he planted it when he was young and he was going to school. So he was given this banana at school by a friend, and he came and planted it here. So guys, it has like 100 of small suckers. You see how it is? It has become like very bushy. And the funny thing with this, they are very tall. Very tall. Very tall. And to make it worse, it's the only red banana. They are called red banana. You know, over here we have green banana, and the other one that when they are ripe they become yellow, very attractive. But this one, it's very red. Is this red or pink? Let's say red. Probably let's say red. When they're ripe they become red, and it's the only tree around here, man. Very crazy, you know. I'm so surprised with it. over 40 years. This kind of banana, you know. He told me if I want to plant it, I shouldn't plant it near home. Like, it grows big, and it becomes more bushy, you know. I struggled pumping water from this side, and this place is all water. Everywhere is water. Like, whether comes sunshine, look. Whether comes sunshine, whether comes rain, it's just always like this. Always. And deep down here, this is where we see our stuffs are around. A lot of papyrus reeds, a lot of stuffs, a lot of good things, man. Like, I'm surprised like how things are moving on. And also the other day on the videos you saw on this side, that's the forest. Whew, I just sank, man. So let's see how this guy is harvesting the yams, because we really need the yams or the arrow roots. You know, these ones are very good when you have them early in the morning as breakfast. I'll sure take them to my family. When you have them as breakfast, or ulipiga hapa dawa tena mara watemiridio. Oh, sawa. Ndorambia kanga ina gana ni biko kana kurane heo. So guys, that's how you see he's harvesting the. Yeah guys, so I've just to leave him just harvest the yams. I've been called. There's a guy who wants who I told them to cut the trees down so that they can do what we call like you see this side also they're planting. They're really planting. This is how you plant. This one are being planted all the way like in a swampy area. That's why they do best. I'm here also with another girl. Hey, hi. How are you? There's a lot of. It's just a toad.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Atieno Eliam. Yeah, I'm here with CJ. We are in a yam farm. Yeah, we craved yam, so we are here.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, go and check me out. Go and play my playlist. Because I'm already at 1,000 subscribers.
1,000?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
So, thank you.
Now you're running for watch hour.
Watch hours.
Oh, okay.
So let them go and play my playlist.
Okay.
I'll appreciate.
All right.
Yeah.
Great. Let me rush to check on the materials up here. I've been called, so you check on that. I'll be coming. Yeah, very enough few. All right, guys. This is what you see. Oh, this is a yam farm, and there's a yam farm. Let me check what's going on around. Hey.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good. Yes.
I've decided to also start shooting.
Okay.
Because I love nature.
The nature.
Yeah, actually I didn't know we are going to be inside deep like this.
There's also a river there. You can swim.
A river?
Yes.
Let me go.
Yeah.
I have some clothes here.
Okay.
Let me introduce myself to your people. You are mannerless. You need to greet them.
Greet them.
Hi everybody. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing great. We are here today at the farm. We were craving some, you said yams?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were craving some yams. And so we decided to come and buy, because from the market, at the market, they sell them very expensively. Unlike here at the farm. Yeah, so my name is Sherin Mevin. Please come and show me some love.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, that's great. Let me rush. I've been called with those people harvesting trees.
Oh.
And I want to see what's going on around.
But you're coming back?
I'm coming just right back.
Okay.
I told them to harvest a lot. Okay, guys, so let me go and see. They are even calling me right now. The nature itself, the nature is telling you, like it's calling you. Murakana kyokora moyo. Imisi. Nugo wisave. Hey. Oh, ibigwe. Oh, okay, so because you want to plant. Because you see, like this place down here, the reason why I'm really craving about this place is that it makes a lot of yams. You know, like sometimes people are like, what would you plant there? What do you do with it? You can't build. But it's good for it to have yams. You plant yams and it's good to go. Also sugarcane. very good to go, you know. Anyway guys, I'm heading up here. Oh man, just have to crash. Moving. Where is even the road? It's here. Just moving. There's a small stream here, and these guys are washing. Yeah. So they are washing clothes. You know, for now we can say kids have closed school, so literally the best time is now. And also it does here we have a schedule where Saturday is the only washing day. Hey, this place is steep. Like when you walk down here, down the steep coming up, you have burnt the calories. You have done what you call like made a very good exercise. There was a lot of sugarcane around here, but they harvested them. Hi. Guys, jama hemete hanon tawang berekei. Hi. So, I want to check some trees. Emete. I was talking in local language. That let me see. I've been called up here. The other time they harvested trees, but I was not around. But for now, they are harvesting them. And Baba mekuja. Huh? Hajakuja. Okay. Okay, guys. We came from deep down there. No, I want to look for some trees here. Nieke kagazibo huko kadogo kupumzika. So you see the land has been free. Yeah, guys, this is Chacha. He's a village hustler. He's the one who always bring us materials. Yeah, if you also need like a lot of materials on your site, he's here. Yes. Yeah.
Wherever you are in Kenya.
For sure.
My phone number.
Yeah, say your phone number. Plus
254.
Yes.
724 65 4199.
For sure.
Yeah, village hustler.
Village hustler.
Yeah, whenever you call me.
Yeah. Guys, materials, whether it's bush stones, whether it's sand, whether it's stones.
Wherever you need.
Absolutely.
Firewood
also, yeah. Poles.
Yeah.
Sawa chacha. Hata kuna poles zingine kuja niongeze za malizia nini. Sawa. Oh. Oh, sawa chacha.
Chukua machine kati yangu anapotea.
Oh, okay. Sawa, ina na mimi naingia kwa hii miti ya ndoro hapo. Haya basi. Haya chacha. Yeah. So, guys, I came from down here. Down there, so I just arrived over here. I wanna check what's going on, because it's good for me to buy these trees from near here, because our land is just right there. It's good for me to buy these trees near here to cut off the transport system and see what's going on around. Yeah, so the trees are in here. Let me talk with the guy and see what's going on around. So they are just poles like this. You see, they are cutting them. So I want to just put a structure like even this one. You see there's a structure there like that one, that even if I'll just put somebody there to look after, it will be more better. Okay guys, let's see. So they are cutting the trees, so let me head downwards. I finish with these other stuff, see what's going on around. You see, like that guy already has started taking them from this place to the land. So it's serious, guys. Like I am feeling like I'm left aside, man. You know, sometimes it's good to put even a small structure like that to just to put up something. So when I'm having this tree, I just remove them, the covers, buy some iron sheets, even if second-hand iron sheets, then things can go on. Mokami, hogere jende kiri kucha, kama 15 keswa ndani mora. Mora. Keswa ndani mora. Kandi gandriko. Sasa mama ketamgira go fence ukitoke bange baadaye. Sawa. Ngo kenga bade hara. Tumabore hari kwi. Nasi kaka kamono kwanza ibigwe. Haya. This is Mokami. My name C. My name also is Mokami. The good thing is, let me see what's going on. and then we're gonna finish heading on the stuffs. Okay, guys. Guys, look at my manager, my project manager. Oi. Guys, I'm firing you today. We have a new, we put up a new project manager. Guys, early in the morning. No. Cut best. So now you haven't opened the gate. I'm coming, like there's nobody there at the gate. Early in the morning, you have gone to make yourself busy. Why?
Why when it's stupid?
Why me? Guys, look at my project manager. Oh my God! Why? Enrico, endo fungue gate Enrico. Ona, kuna miti nimenua pale kwa Andro inafaa ikuja hapo ndani tufanye ile maneno. Like seriously? Look how he's swaying from one point to another. Seriously? Oh my God, this is crazy, man. My project manager, and it's only yesterday when he was like, hey. Now today he's having his own good time.
Do you know these vegetables can be eaten?
Yams.
Yeah.
Yams leaves.
Imagine yes.
Never way, Mura matugipe kwa garebo. Muchuru ole. How?
So this one, you remove just like this. Then you leave this one over here. Then you mix it with amaranth. Then you just cook it.
Jute malo.
Yeah, jute malo.
Come
I was
on.
looking for that name.
Yeah.
And some beef.
Muitanobo hene mura.
Yeah.
My project manager has done her own things, man. His own things.
His own things.
Yes.
He's in the Easter mood.
Aye, man.
Yeah, today's a weekend.
I think he's sad because Jesus was crucified.
He was crucified there. And I told him,
Judas
yesterday I told him no work.
Yeah.
So I tipped him something small. I told him no work today because we are on Easter. We're not supposed to do any work.
Yeah.
So,
For real.
like he's the one who keeps the key to the gate.
Okay.
Like not really the manager you can leave. You cannot really depend on him 100%. But it's the guy who is readily there. Like anytime, maybe when I want the key, he's there. Maybe when I definitely maybe want a truck of sand has gone there, maybe he has to open and tell them, okay, I told them to be putting materials on one side. So he's a guy who's readily here. But that's why I'm like, I'm doing for what you call, like I'm looking for materials. Like I've bought trees and I want to look for iron sheets and nails so that I can put there as a structure and maybe employ somebody there permanently.
So you will maybe employ him.
Not him. He has a home.
He has a home and he's already drunk at this time of the day.
And he was
about
even
the
looking
kids?
For you.
Huh?
He was asking about you.
Maybe
Me,
he
I'm
wanted
asking
some
about
money.
him and he is asking about me.
Maybe the money that you gave him to celebrate Easter is
It's
over.
over, so he needs more money.
No. That's not supposed to be just like that. It's crazy.
He
Hey,
sees you.
I'm saddened with that mostly. Should I hire you to be a new project
Ooh la la.
manager? Yeah. Maybe
Unless you be giving me this one with beef.
you are here,
Yeah.
but you'll be coming from the farm. Come and harvest a little. You farm here little, and it will be better.
It's
Guys,
very far.
actually, I really fear the sun. That is one thing I fear.
Yeah, it's not far. Unajua mlizunguka ile side ingine, and my farm is here, so you just go with this tree.
But there's no way through here.
Yeah, there is no way.
Through which?
Like if maybe after we are done, we pass through here, and then we go to the road. And then
No, you have to go back because here there's a river. If you know how to swim, you can jump in. Yeah, there's a river.
you know how to swim.
Yeah. If you don't know how to swim again, but I know you come from the lakeside, so that there's a
Do you
small,
know, let me tell you
it's
something.
a small river.
When I was in primary, I studied here at Momokoro.
Momokoro. Yeah.
Then we were in boarding school. We went every Sunday. We used to go to wash our clothes in Nyamwini River.
Nyamwini River. The other one that has a big dam.
I don't even know where it is.
It's
from
just
this side.
here, up here.
It's up.
This is Nyamwini itself.
Yeah.
This place is in Nyamwini. So Nyamwini Dam is over there.
We used to use the other route.
It's a haunted dam, guys. Actually, she has said so.
Haunted.
I'll just take you there today, so that
Haunted.
It's not that far.
It's not that far. It's like
You said haunted.
it's a haunted dam. Mura, acha niulize huyu jamaa. Kuna tangi mbele. Ile dam kweli iko na maneno mazuri ile. It's not well, man.
Do you know, I said, let me go and see.
A lot of people have lost their lives in there. Yeah. Even the sister. When you go there swimming inside, if you are new and those I think their spirits love you, you'll not come back. You'll die. Yeah, it's true. Ask this guy. He lost a sister there. You know?
To swim.
Yeah. Even a neighbor up there, like a neighbor of mine, they lost a sister and a brother.
Oh no, the same family.
Yeah, same family. They died in there. So I'm so surprised that even as we used to go there, watoto wa shule tunapenda kwenda huko, si ndio? Both is Bania. Yeah, you go swim, you don't know.
People are going to swim. Like me, I was drowning literally. And ladies were like, oh my God, Sherry is drowning, Sherry. Nobody's helping me. People just shouting. So there's another guy called Stephen Ginono.
Yeah, I know him. Yeah. He's a good friend of mine.
On the other side of the dam, he swam. Yeah.
And
came and saved me.
you were going, yeah.
But there was going, I was like, Nebuchadnezzar was telling me,
welcome. And there are a lot of things have sunk in there. There's a real tractor in there.
What?
Yes. There's an excavator in there.
A whole excavator?
Yes.
Is that deep?
You're joking that down.
We are just overlooking it.
Guys, if you know...
We are going there, but we are not entering that.
You're not going to enter the dam. It's just there.
We are
It's a road.
going. We are going with CJ.
Anyway, guys, let's look over here. We just harvested some yams. Well, hii ingine ilitoka ama ilikuwa imeharibika?
No, he has not made it.
No, imeharibika amesema. You see the moment he takes it down here and then he sees it.
This one?
Yeah.
Because it's watery?
Yeah. That's why you saw him throwing it. Let me put it here, you'll see. You'll not take it. Yeah. You have to become a farmer. Waambie story mrukusu vitanka wataelewa. Yes, that's how things are moving all around. Let's check what's going on. Things are moving on. Ibigwa murante bigwa mbe na masenti. Harosa kuya hana tara harosa muno ko muno kam habo ro herkere boro.
Ambi ngani kuro da ku birinji.
Oh, uto bitoro kuyo kor hayro igor.
Nganda harume ai kara kwanza nare mabuko ngwibi ba.
Oh.
Mane bitako.
Okay. Kili ora kan no você você pium. You know. No você. I get to go to see. So he's saying that this place he's going to leave it again so that it can have it can regain its virginity back, because he has been doing this over here for decades and decades. So he wants to leave it for a couple of maybe years again, so he can do farming around again. Yeah. So guys, the harvest is okay on this side. What? You know this one you have to have a knife and just kwangua them well. And
now
then
that one will do that at the farm.
Here?
Or
at home?
At home.
Okay.
Yeah.
That would be better.
No,
but at least...
But we have to transfer it here so that you remain with this.
Still no problem. Let's do it, we see.
This one is
beef. This is beef.
Yeah.
You already had beef.
For our cats at home.
Come on.
We love pets.
Okay.
For our cats at home and also for my siblings.
Okay.
And my mom. Okay. You know, at home they pima. What is kupima?
They weigh.
They weigh very, very little.
Oh.
Like here, the one that I bought for $3. At home, I would have bought it for 5.
For 5.
For 6.
Then you have to come visit this place frequently.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very, very expensive.
You see now the farm is smiling on his own, man.
I think we should go and borrow some because
Wani, una prepare for the next.
This one here, guys.
For next. Yeah.
I'm expecting them to add me some because.
Yeah. And also, guys, no, these are enough. You know it's the farm.
Don't talk.
Guys, and also if you're willing to have maybe to have some yams, your biggest plug is here.
By that we'll be coming.
We'll come and harvest some here, and then we see what things are moving
think it
on
will be
around. Though they are kind of. Kuna vingine more biko vinde hobira seven bikongere. So I think we are just finalizing, but this will be better.
I think you go to Ile. the house there. We ask for this.
Okay, no problem. We'll just check and see what's going on. So guys, from here we are going to take you to the dam and you see the dam, how the dam is. Today
Those are mine or
all
what?
around. Yeah, see. Hiya, no kona, eh? Hi. Hey guys, you see now.
For $2.
This is for $2. Hey, you are leaving
But
some.
it looks like mine for $3.
Come on, no way.
Where is
Hey guys,
Because CJ is the one.
I think. Where?
I'm the plug. I told you guys. You see, this one will just go for $2. Just very better and okay. So you have to take this. Don't complain. No, you complaining.
This is a lot. But we'll come. Not
Next
complaining.
time.
No, I think it is because
I'm the owner.
customers to here.
Yay. Cindy Omura, see where's the customer? He's sweating, man.
Yeah.
That's now I'm telling you
We
the
need to
good
go
job
eat
of
some
this.
Very, very big ugali.
The bibi
Serious food.
amepika saa hii.
And shower. Yeah.
So let's pay and see guys what we're having on. But before taking this home, I'll take you to the dam. We see how the dam is and then we come back. Okay. So guys, you see we have this kind of trees already. There are lots that are coming. I bought around 15 trees. Yeah, these 15 trees, they'll be, I think, enough to, not enough, but just trying to buy materials. Like, I want them tomorrow. I'll be here, tomorrow will be a Sunday, literally. So on Monday, I'll be removing the, what you call, like, the backs. These backs, you see these ones? I'll be removing them so that the tree can remain itself. I do some treatment on them. And then I start to put up a small kagazibo. It can be a small store. Yeah, so this one will stay here. Even if you stay for a week, so that they can drop the water. So that you can see. And they're going to give me a tora. Mama komete hari. Ha magana ron sira magana hari. Eh. Tunaenda kera ale hangini sukuma hara. Tiku tunu choko handriko. Sitaki uanguke. This is my manager, guys. Over here who looks at the land, but still he's not sober. He's not sober anymore. You see how the trees are coming. Somo. So you see how kids are swimming? Guys, it's a very dangerous dam, but kids always come here to swim, do everything. Let me share with you what's going on around Mana Makai. Yeah. So the other road comes from this side. So here is the dam. You see how kids are jumping in? No, guys, this is the place actually. This is the dam. It used to be this way all around. It's a very dangerous dam, but at least this is how you see. Yeah. A little baby. Yeah, guys. So hey, you come look at the nini. So we are here, guys. You should be very careful because there's reeds here. There's papyrus reeds. And this is what you see all around. Kids always come to swim here. They come to swim. Si waribira haba na nyinyi nene tuko maji. Washamba video eti? Hawajui. Vipi kama umedondosha sabuni na nini? Sabuni. Kamanda. Hii dude sio refu hapo ndani. Guys, you see here, this is our own lake. You know, it's a very good.
It's a very hot water.
Yeah.
It's a very hot water.
Look at the other guy, man.
But now it has really grown small.
Yeah, it has grown small because of the papyrus reeds and the water hyacinth. Yeah.
But the ones there they look nice.
The other one there?
Yeah, those I don't know.
Aye. Oh, this guy was here. Where? Oh, hi. Come on, man. Bro. Yeah?
Now where is that one going to? So I almost drowned on the other end.
Where?
On the other end
Yeah,
where the
it's
white
very.
guy is.
Where is very?
With
It
the
should be
white
very
clothes.
different. Like you see over here, this. I'm calling it a lake. This dam used to be like big compared to the other side, but nowadays the water has hinge, and the Cypress reeds are killing them.
That person is diving.
Yeah,
It's deep.
it's deep diving. Yeah, guys. So
Beautiful.
apple.
But it's not. But I've heard that people have died here.
Yeah, a lot.
Here in this small place.
Yeah.
And the
And
other
they're
guy
drowning.
said that there's a whole. What do we call that?
Don't say that here.
No, that's.
You know, this place is regarded as people make prayers, and you know here that if you go to different places, like for example, in Ghana, you're not supposed to go with the shoes near the river like this or near lake, near water body like this.
Oh.
So mostly, with me, I respect because I know there's a lot of ancestral spirits around here. So sometimes when you make stories which are not, yeah, they're here. He's here. Come on. No, the tract is in between there.
It is inside there.
Yeah.
That is what I
Oh yeah. You know, there's a tractor here. It's a true story. The boys are saying it. There's a tractor in there. You know.
It's shocking that a whole tractor can.
And those people are mining gold up there. You see there, guys, they're mining gold. So there's a big story that one day maybe I'll come and document a very good story about this. But for now, it was just passing and giving you a story about this place and share with you what's going on around. This is located around here, and it's a very good place to come and swim, chill. As you see, the boys are doing it very well. So literally, that's it. Just passed because we had this visitors who wanted to check on the place. Yeah, so let's go back and check on our project, put the trees inside, and we can start our small structure. Just like that, guys. All right. Yeah, so guys, this is what you see. And stuff that are around here, good. Had our nduma still there. Guys, at least when I see this, and tomorrow will be a Sunday probably. So let's say on Monday, let me count these trees. Let me count the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So these ones come with it. So I want to create a space down here. I want to create a space over here. I don't want to make it a very good place, but I want to make it over here. To put that small house right here. And then the rest, maybe when I'll be building a bigger house, a small house for it will be around here. So these stones, I want to take some from this to align them. I'll align them somewhere here. You know, I want to put that house here so that when I'll be having some stuffs, you can sit here a little bit, see the nature, clear a little bit around here, make this side I clear it well. I put some benches here all around. Andriko, utaumiza mtoto. Wacha nikuoneshe, unaumiza hata fence Andriko. Wacha shikilia, hata nishike juu vute. Guys, Andriko, I have a terrible manager here. Thought I had somebody well. Hey, he's a manager only to look for the gate. But for other things, hey, it's a no. Unaona unaharibu waya sasa, na gate ni kubwa hata. Shika huko Andriko. Unaona unaharibu waya, watu wataruka huko wavunje. Kuja nayo. No, unataka uende, unashika huko mwisho, mimi niinue. Ilete tu, pole. Guys, I have a terrible manager. He's drunk.
You carrying that whole alone?
Wewe inua hapa ona Andre. Inua hapo nipe. My manager. My truck manager.
And he was telling these kids to help him.
Hey.
Guy.
What is helping? This father drunk.
Hey!
Pole Andre.
Oh. Wanakata.
Bye.
Guy!
Diga. Anda teusuke. Teusuka hangu. Torang. Torang.
Hebu enda hapo kwa live tena. Waenda kwa nini hapo? Channel yako. Then finya tena live. Eti you make more shots. Wewe unafanya video shots. Oh, sasa hapo kwa TV lakini hebu jaribu tena post tena shots. But jaribu tena.
Just like that. We are here. And that's how stuff are going. Guys, but I'm so surprised with the manager. The manager is really...
After here you give him money, he goes to drink.
Today won't give him money. Today,
He's already drunk.
he's already drunk. If I add that, he'll be terribly drunk.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Is that? Yeah, guys, that's what you see. Work is still ongoing. It's coming in. Yeah, that will be the good tray to put up on. Yeah.
Your friend is coming and sharing.
Yeah.
And he's very tired.
Guys, that's what you see. The trees are around. So you only need to look for fundi. Look at my manager, guys. I'm so embarrassed with my manager. Hey. Sad story. But the good thing is he has a home here. Even if he's drunk, he'll just go and sleep. You know. But he's a hard-working guy. Though despite that he's kinda drunk. I don't know how I can just make him want to drink, but at times he has to. Because now what will he do? Early in the morning I thought that he has come to open and slash the farm. But he went to do his own stuffs. So there's a lot of trees coming. So this I think will be enough. A little bit. Not real much enough, but they will be enough. They actually push where I will be so that we can check and see what's going on around. So wait and see how stuffs are. Pole.
Maria.
Tai wiki mo ati kimucha na hoiga data direct ko se kyo koma. Haya. Look. Haya. Just like that. Wengo kwa mwisho. Iko wapi? They are working. Slowly. Something of even 20 iron sheets, it will be more okay. Mambo iko sawa. Haya, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Wapi ingine? Imebaki? Kuna yenye inakuja, kuna yenye imebaki? Iko wapi?
Na kuna imekatwa huko sioni.
Sina kuja. Mimi mbili sasa.
Hiyo ndio nataka iko yote mbili. Sasa tungeenda wewe huko.
Enda mkuja tunayo. Bado tu miti mbili.
Ile mkubwa nilikuwa nimekata moja.
Bado miti mbili.
Bado mbili ndio. Hilo nakata hiyo.
Go come with enda na wengine tatu. Guys, I have 2 trees and be better.
Ile mbili, angalia ile ukata ile moja.
Lazima tuseme ni tatu sasa. Bado tatu. Bado tatu haya. Sawa. Bueno, efensi mura, efensi, msaita muturi haramoka. Efensi mura. Efensi mura. Mutafuta muturi haramoka. Acha mtu akusaidie mura.
Mtu akusaidie kubeba.
Sasa huyu mbona?
Mura, efensi mura nacho mko oroba kwa katemera hayo nisimi. Hey.
Na wewe ni mpole si.
Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Best. Now they are enough, sindio? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah. Ziko poa kabisa tata. Kura vitano. Good. Your stomach is your stomach. Okay guys, so this hata ni hokamata katora kachikoni kanobu.
Nimekwamisha kama nimekwamisha mzigo. Acha sasa nishingilie kazi yangu imeenda vizuri.
Sawa. Haya,
nataka nyingine nitakuongea.
Haiko sawa tu.
Sasa ongea na sasa.
Utaniongeza hata nije tuje tuweke hapo tu nataka ni futi ngapi. Tuone vile kunaenda. Si ndio? Enrico. You are here, right? Guys, my manager here is yeah? Manager. How are you, manager? You're sober now? Pombe imeisha?
No, sober.
You're not sober? Okay. Wewe pumzika tu kwa kivuli kabisa. Mambo itulie, sawa?
Kuna kitu nilikuwa nataka nikuulize. Unajua mimi ninapiga hesabu mara mbili. Yeye mwangi atoka pale. Amekuja hapa juu.
Ile kesho Jumatatu.
Hiyo bafu. Kwa sababu mtaki kwa sababu kitoka pale nenda huko.
Ile mawe nitaitoa. Tutaitoa maybe Jumatatu.
Sababu ni Christmas.
Pasaka.
Ni Pasaka tu.
Monday tunaitoa inakaa kana tunajaribu kutengeneza kwa kitu hapo.
Na alafu tuachane na hiyo. Alafu choo lazima tukichimba
pale chini.
Lazima sio uombe tena. Kwa sababu huwezi kuja kutupu kwangu.
Haya ni kweli najua. This guy is telling me I have to prepare a toilet as early as now because he will not allow me to go to his place there. You know? That's how pressed I am right now. Anyway, we'll just start for the poll and then we see what's going on around. And we'll see. Haya, sasa tusubirie tuone that. So guys, I'm ending this video from this place. So we'll be sharing with you what we'll be having here, maybe from Monday or tomorrow. We'll be seeing what we'll be starting over here. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate your love and support. I'm forever grateful. So CJ, at least I'll be coming here, sitting and watching the view, what's going on around. Subscribe if you're new, like, share and leave us a comment. And everything will be very much okay. Alright guys, bye.